I'm Jennifer Angel from Mistress of Astrology, and this is your report for the coming week, Libra. Okay, so there's a lot of activity happening in your solar second house still, okay, but this week it's all to do with Mercury, the planet of communication. Although Mercury has been here for some time, going through its retrograde transit, it's now well out of that, and this week it even catches up to the degree that it was before it went retrograde. So when it's in this period, it's called the shadow. And on the 27th, so midweek, the day before Thanksgiving in America, it's going to come out of that. So it's a very, very interesting time for you, Libra, because this is very much to do about money, possessions. It's also very much to do about how worthy you feel of receiving in your life material rewards. Okay, so there's likely to be some communication this week, even though if you are living in America, it's quite a social week with Thanksgiving on the 28th on Thursday. There's likely to be quite a bit of communication around money and around business as well. Okay, so particularly as Jupiter, sitting there in your solar 10th house of business, also has an aspect with Mercury, the communication planet, okay, and it's a trine, so it's almost like something is going to happen this week that perhaps you've been waiting to come through. It's an opportunity. Also, there's discussions on a family level, so if it's possible for family, money and work to be all mixed up in one, then that has a very good vibration about it this week. If your areas of life are separate, then in some way it can combine this week, even if it's just to keep someone up to date with what's going on. I mean, of course, you don't have to tell everybody everything, but certain people will need to know certain details, and try not to leave them out of the mix, okay? Have a great week, Libra. I'm Jennifer Angel, broadcasting from New York City. Thanks for watching.